What is the units digit of 3 raised to 195 multiplied by 5 raised to 20? Now, 3 raised to 195. Now, we can say that 3 raised to any number n, it is always an odd number. And 5 raised to any number, it always ends with 5. Now, 5 multiplied by any odd number, it always ends with 5. And 5 multiplied by a even number, it always ends with a 0. Now, because 3 raised to n, now in this case, we can say that 5 raised to 20, it ends with 5. And 3 raised to 195, that means it is an odd number. So 5 into odd number, that means it will end with 5. That means the units digit or the last digit will be 5. So answer will be option A.